And I realize all them things see, 'cause I know I'm so a broken down.
Brown eyes watch over me.
Don't you see he keeps all the monsters away? You can try to save me, but I'm already saved. I wish to a strange land I am lost in the river, weaving words on high, climbing across the hills.
Thank you very much. Keep on trucking on down the road. And where it's headed, I don't know. The pack is heavy and the road is long.
Now Martha's in the backyard, she's busy washing clothes. Now the smell of the detergent really gets right up her nose. But it's smell and curiosity are all that I have left, and now it's me.
You switched on your TV and I got a fright. Why did you have to deceive me? 'Cause you love that Peter Levy. Why should I pay my license fee so you can watch that Peter Levy? Now there are many newsreaders that I like.
Let's go back into town in Nashville, Tennessee. You can't take
wait till it's fixed. I'm using the stairs to find me, spread all over the place. One step at a time I go, hope to get there.
I tell you, my child, I'm crooked. Crooked as the devil's backbone. I know the joke, I wrote the punchline yesterday.